ढाकिया डाक लाया, ढाकिया डाक लाया, ढाकिया डाक लाया, ढाक लाया, ढाकिया डाक लाया, ढाक लाया। खुशी का पैगाम कहीं कहीं दर्द ना लाया, ढाकिया डाक लाया, ढाकिया डाक लाया।
पहचाना मुझे, मैं कौन हूँ? नहीं, चलो मेरा इतिहास देखते हैं।
Postman's bag is always heavy because it carries the life itself. It carries all the sorrows and all the joys, all the worries and all the hopes. Around 2 decades back, writing letter was an important form of communication. The first post in India was found by Lord Dalhousie in 1854, which functioned under the Ministry of Communications. On 15 August 1972, Sri Ram Bikaji Velinkar introduced the PIN code system, whereas PIN stands for Postal Index Number. As we all know, in today's world, emails and online messaging has become an important part of our life, and writing letters has become something which we rarely do. Despite the diversity in culture, tradition, and difficult geographical terrain, the Indian Postal Service has given a best performance and has become the integral part of the country. To commemorate the role played by the Indian Postal Department over 150 years, we celebrate the National Postal Day every year on 10th October. Indian Postal Celebration is an extension of World Post Day.
I will tell you about the history of posts of India as well as the world. The history of post began way back antiquity. First post office of the world was established by British in Scotland in 1712 AD. The first postal stamp was introduced by Henry Cole and his assistant Rowland Hill in 1840. Indian postal services are widely distributed and is the largest in the world. The Indian Postal Services is a part of Ministry of Communications of India and Information Technology. The first post office of India was established by British in Bombay in 1764. The first postal stamp of India was introduced by British in the district of Skinde, also known as Skinde Dot. After independence, the first postal stamp of India was issued on November 21, 1947. It depicted the national flag of India. Mahatma Gandhi was the first person whose picture was depicted on the postal stamp of Free India. The PIN code system in India was introduced in 1972.
I am going to tell you about how the Indian Postal Service works. The primary function of the post office is collection, processing, transmission and delivery of data. The country has been divided into multiple postal circles, divisions and subdivisions. Generally, letters or mails are posted in the post box and the postman carries it to the post office. Here, mail vans collect all type of mails and deliver it to certain delivery offices. Each post office receives a bag containing particular type of mail which postman opens and sorts according to the destination address. Finally, the postman delivers it to the particular residence.
Since March 25, 2020, when crores of Indians have been staying indoors due to lockdown, around 4 lakh postal department employees on the ground work day in and out to deliver parcels, letters and even cash, maintaining the essential service when regular flights and passenger train services remain suspended. Customers of all banks have been allowed to withdraw cash to post office or at their doorstep through Gramin Dak Sevas by using the Aadhaar enabled payment system, that is AEPS. Having risked their lives, they have delivered cash to pension owners, old people who could not travel to bank branches to withdraw money, and direct benefit transfer, that is DBT beneficiaries. Thus supplied letters, parcels and medicines to senior citizens. Through the National Road Transport Network, the department could deliver more than 2,000 tons of saving life medicines and medical equipment including COVID-19 testing kits, PPE kits, masks, sanitizers, test samples and even ventilators. In the tie-ups with Indian Drug Manufacturers Association, Directorate General of Health Services, Indian Medical Research, that is ICMR, and online pharma companies. Even during Corona, if we could release yummy mangoes and lychees, the credit goes to Indian Post. In Maharashtra, the Indian Post Kisan Rath service helped farmers from Ratnagiri and Sindhudurga delivered 105 tons of Alfonso mangoes to Mumbai and Nashik when regular transportation was unavailable. In Bihar, 6,280 kgs of Shahi lychees, and in Bengaluru, 92,382 kgs of mangoes were delivered.
देवर के भतीजे की साली की सगाई है, वो आती पूर्णमासी को करार पाई है। मामा आपको लेने आते मगर मजबूरी है, बच्चों समेत आना आपका जरूरी है। छोटों को प्यार देना, बड़ों को नमस्कार, तेरी मजबूरी समझो कारट तो तार। शादी का संदेशा तेरा है।
सीधा साधा डाकिया जादू करे महान, एक ही थैली में रखे आंसू और मुस्कान।
ढाकिया डाक लाया, ढाक लाया, ढाकिया डाक लाया, डाक लाया खुशी।